Hey, this is Adam with Heavy Metal Automotive. I'm going to walk around and show you this 2016 Ram 5500 we have for sale. It's a two-wheel drive 6.7 Cummins diesel. It's got 240,000 miles on it. It's a one-owner truck. It belonged to Altec. It's a Southern truck with no rust. It's got 11-foot body, 5,000 pound auto crane, Boss hydraulic air compressor, hydraulic outriggers. It's got a Miller Blue Star welder on it. It's a nice truck. Power windows, power locks, cruise control, air conditioning. Power inverter. That's compartment lights. Rear work bumper, trailer hitch, vise. This does slide forward. Work lights. Air hose and reel. Got a port for hydraulic tools. Another nice set of toolboxes. Kick the PTO on, we'll work the crane and the compressor. Winch down, extension out, extension in, winch up, back around. of gas. It was running earlier. I seen it running. No, I think it's out of gas. That'll be running when you get the truck. All right, if you're interested in this truck, give me a call, 256-310-6852. You can call or text. HeavyMetalAuto.com, that's our website. You can go on there and check out pictures of it. If you're looking out of state and you want to have this truck shipped, I can ship it anywhere in the United States. Probably going to be looking around $1.75 a mile right now. It really depends a lot on where you're at. If you're out in the middle of nowhere, it could be a little more. If it's a common route, it could be less. If you decide to go that route, just know that we're a dispatcher, so what we'll do is post it on our dispatch board, and we wait for somebody to call and say, hey, I see you got this truck going wherever you're at, we want to pick it up, and we send it to them. We're not bringing you the truck. It's an outside company. However, we do check them out. Like I said, we're a dispatcher. We've been doing it for 15 years. So, but if you got to know the exact second somebody's going to pick it up, then you got to come get it yourself, which you're welcome to do. We're open Monday through Friday, 7 to 4. We're not open on the weekends. And if you come, you got to bring a cashier's check, do a wire transfer, or bring cash. We can't take a check on your name or your business name. It has to be a certified bank check. I guess that's about it. Don't wait. These trucks, the end of the year is usually really good for us. People's looking to buy trucks for tax write-offs, and they generally don't last too long. This truck's got a little higher mileage, or what some people consider higher mileage, but a Dodge, these things, they're not very problematic. So 240 on a truck like this is nothing. Another thing, I have a lot of people, they always say, why is the DPF light on? That's not a DPF light. That is a exhaust brake light. So you can do it automatic, or you can do it full exhaust brake, or you can turn it off. So that's not a warning light. That's just a showing you've got your exhaust brake on. So I have that question a lot when people call. All right, thanks for watching. Give me a call. Don't wait.